Hello, my name is William Springster, and this is my new YouTube channel, The William Springster. It is all about being an example of how I've changed my life. From a low-key, cubicle bum, to a limitless entrepreneurial individual, who absolutely enjoys taking action and getting things done. In today's episode, best Android app to manage finances. So without any further ado, just a quick video for today. There is an absolutely phenomenal free app I just found today, to track all of my finances. It's free, no in-app purchases, without any pesky ads to take your time. The interface is clean, simple, intuitive, easy to use and enter all of your transactions fast. Why do I need this app? Well, for the same reason we all do. By the way, can you see how broke I am at the moment? Yeah, but that's about to change. Because the first step towards fixing one's finances is actually having all of the daily transactions at a glance. With all these nifty graphs. Because it turns something which is usually boring to check into an actual fun to do so. Which then informs me of my financial status. But also it makes me think, plan and get inspired to develop ideas of fixing it and improving my finances. Simply as that. The app is called Home Finance. The link is in the description. This has been your host William Springster. Now enjoy, and have a good night. See you tomorrow.